Hello from the high Northern Norway. My name is Freya and I am possibly here to provide some guidance. The elements appear to be one of the most used vehicles the Norse gods utilize to speak, to make themselves manifest and help us with divination. The divination aspect is very interesting because many are the tales appear of people divining with the windman, Biekkaulmai in Sami. Also, people of these lands believed that wind baths, which simply meant exposure to the wind, would keep them aligned to the north and the great reindeer spirit, keeping them healthy and strong. Sitting in front of an altar all day is an activity that truly doesn't and never belonged to these lands. The craft is a craft in movement, in actions. When you are inquiring the gods about something and use the wind as a tool of divination, I feel it's very important to see if the wind is walking with you or against you. Clear yes or no will come as answers. Also, the sound, what I call often the whispers of the windman, Biekkaulmai, is something to pay profound attention to. Are they soft? Are they strong? Do you hear words in them? Another technique that I use often when I head outside is to lay the runes in a circle, and with a pendulum I ask the gods questions and see what runes the tip of the pendulum underlines. Realities that appear where in every season we live accompanied at all time by the windman. Divination with the wind appears very natural and appropriate when it comes to the very nature of the tundras. On an average, the technique up here works like this. An east wind will talk about boundaries. A west wind will talk about self-care. A south wind will talk about something that needs fixing, reframing, and redirecting. A north wind will talk about favorable events. Then they also get combined to obtain more information. Also, pay attention to what the ancestors up here called latent wind, which means a wind you do not feel on your body but in the formation of clouds, sounds of leaves and branches, the fly of the birds. Until next time, my friends, take good care of yourselves and your witchcraft, and may the gods bless you and all that matters to you.